just trace, just follow what I'm doing and trace. Then you see the angle. That's why I said you need, the angle brush is like a shortcut for you. So that angle, when you get to that corner, that angle just, you know, gets that line for you without trouble. So see, and you blend downwards into your eyes. I'll just pause before I blend. You do the same for the other eyes and see the same angle. Turn your brush to the other side and go just trace under your drawn brows. Trace. You see that angle, when you curve your brush, that angle just keeps your angle for you. Then blend downwards as well. You would notice that some people will just have like a straight line, like you see the concealer just highlighted there without being blended downwards. It doesn't look nice at all. It's better you blend downwards, and when you're blending, we mean that we don't want to see any harsh line. So you can now take your finger, you can use the blending brush, but as for a personal use, just use your finger to blend in. So you see, so if you want it to pop more, all you need to do is use a lighter shade of concealer to highlight. But it's not so professionally looking at times, seeing that you've got white concealer on your face is a no-no for me, sorry. So you blend down as well. So you don't blend upwards, because when you blend upwards, you are blending into the brows that you have drawn, and you know the troubles you've gone through before doing that. So that's it. So we need to now do the one for the upper brows. For the upper brows, I would advise you use your shade. Though you can use any shade, but your shade is advisable. That is the professional way of, you know, highlighting the upper brows. And take note that the angle of the brush, you can see for this left eye, the angle tends to go that way, not this way. Go that way, and when you come to the other side, you go that way, the angle goes to the extreme of your right eye as well. Just follow my steps really. So you just trace. When you get there, you see that angle brush just come and, you know, go down. I'll make corrective measures, so just do that. So for the other eye as well, I've changed my brush, the side to this side now. But you have to look at your mirror and just be careful. So when you get to your arc, just, you know, come down. You can see I've gone into this one a bit, so just fill it in. Don't clean it up and say you've made a mistake. Just fill it back in. So now the finished highlighting is just blending and you know, corrective measures. I'm just trying to blend now, and with the upper brows you blend upwards. We're not blending in because you don't want to blend into the brows you've drawn. You've worked so hard, like I said, so you have to be very cautious around what you've drawn really. So blend upwards. So just follow my steps and practice. You might not get it right in a day, but obviously if you practice this like for the next 1 week every day, you should get somewhere really. You should be in a good place. So you now take your mascara wand. Now we're not trying to make everything like smooth and nice. Just brush it out, brush it out. So you see that transition, brush it out. So you just fill it in. So now just knitting it. Obviously I can't go out like this, so I'm just trying to knitting everything up really. So, and be cautious of your brush. Just follow my angle and blend, 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 blend. And make sure you get that, sharp edge. Not that your brows will be thick all the way to the end. No, just get that. You can achieve that. Just be, going in and out till you have. And look and see if you're okay, if they are like even enough. So I think I'm happy with what I have. So just blend, and with the middle all you need to do is just do a bit of correction here. So you can always correct. Take your brush, your mascara wand. So just knitting that edge. So you can see that it's like my brows are like joining together. Some people go out like this, wrong. So just take your finger and swipe down, disconnect basically. Or you can use a blending brush if you've got one. A blending brush looks like this, and just knitting it up and blend. You don't want to see any harsh line. I can't go out like this. You see those colors, you have to blend it out. Not that you'll be seeing a thin line of concealer, of highlight. So blend it out. Blend it out. You can use your finger, as you've seen earlier on, or concealer, or a brush, a blending brush, a concealer brush. Anything will do. That's the end of our eyebrow class for today. Thank you.